Okay, so today we're going to be replacing the paper tray sensor. To do so, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, preferably a shorter one, and a flathead screwdriver. And then the first thing we're going to do to get started is take out the paper tray. Then we're going to open up the front door and take out the toner. First part we're going to be removing is going to be this gray bar. There are 4 screws. Two on the left and 2 on the right. And now the part just lifts out. Now for our next part, we're going to want to tilt the printer back. So we're going to close the front door and then roll the printer over. To access the sensor, we need to remove this metal plate. It has 2 screws. Now we pop up the bar and the sensor will slide off like so. Let me see the sensor again. There's the sensor.
And make sure it's slide the right way.
And it should slide right off.
Get a new one out from the bag.
So now we get the new sensor out from the bag. And
the new one like this.
We place it like so.
Make sure this one outside.
Make sure that the sensor, the clip is pointing to the right. And we slide it on. So now we click the bar into place.
That's it.
And make sure the sensor
go inside. Actually.
And then make sure that the sensor is in between the white clip and the gray roller. You'll see underneath.
Sensor. Sensor right here.
You'll see underneath that the sensor actually pops into
the sensor activation right here.
The sensor activator.
Right here. See that?
Right there.
Drop it down. Okay. And reassemble it.
So to reassemble, we're going to put the metal plate back on first.
Make sure this one's free. That's good. Then
So now, after we put the bar on the metal plate, we're gonna flip the printer back up, and we're gonna open up the front door, and we're gonna put on the gray paper guide. I'm gonna make sure that it fits in like this. Now we have to put back in place the 4 screws we had removed earlier. And we just put the toner back, close the front door, then place the paper tray back inside the printer. Of course, with paper in it. The paper sensor should freely bounce.
done.